Hello students. In last lecture I explained you what is a sentence, what is a clause, what is a subordinate clause and what is a coordinate clause. Today I will explain you the exercises of sentences simple, compound and complex. Before starting the exercises, let's have the brief idea about clause and sentence. Clause is a group of words that forms part of a larger sentence and has a subject and a predicate of its own. What does it mean? It means it is a smaller unit of sentence. Okay, it also has group of words, it also has a subject and predicate of its own. Now there are two types of clauses: independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause means main clause and dependent clause may be coordinate or subordinate clause. Now dependent clause are of three types. Which are the three types? Noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. These three chapters you will learn in detail in next syllabus. In next chapters you will learn these three things in detail. Okay, right now your example is given: you may sit wherever you like. You may sit wherever you like. Here two types of clauses are given. You may sit, this is the main clause. Why? Because it is independent, it has the complete meaning of its own. It does not depend on wherever you like. Okay, and wherever you like is subordinate clause which depends on you may sit. Okay, so this is subordinate clause. Now what is the difference between clause and sentence? The sentence is the larger unit, gives all information, and clause, a sentence consists one or more clauses, while clause also sometimes gives all information and has complete sense. It is not necessary that all the time it is independent only. Sometimes it is dependent only. Okay. So here in example, I remember what you said yesterday. I remember is the main clause. What you said yesterday is the other clause, and both the clauses together form the sentence. So some clauses gives complete sense too, some are not. Now simple sentence. What is a simple sentence? Simple sentence means independent clause which has one subject and one finite verb. Okay, for example, I speak English, I am happy. Compound sentence means two or more independent clauses. Means two or more independent clauses are given which have their own meaning, which have their own complete sense. Okay, and they are used in a sentence in such a way that they coordinate each other. They coordinate each other. इस तरह से वो सेंटेंस में यूज होते हैं. Okay, second sign, sometimes it is given comma, semicolon. Okay, sometimes comma, semicolon are used, or sometimes it is connected, it is joined by conjunction. Now which conjunction are used in such sentences? In compound sentences, coordinating conjunction. Which conjunctions are used? Coordinating conjunction, and coordinating conjunctions are called fanboys. Coordinating conjunctions are called fanboys, in which F stands for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet and S for so. Okay, हो गया ना fanboys. Okay, so compound sentences consist comma, semicolon or fanboys. So it's easy na. See, try to understand through example. I want to go to work but I am tired. Here, I want to go to work, I am tired. Both the sentences are independent. Both have their complete sense. I want to go to work, independent only. I am tired, independent only. Okay, but they both are connected with coordinating conjunction, but fanboys may be for but. And comma is also given. It is not necessary that all the time comma is given, but then also fanboys or comma semicolon will be used in compound sentences. Okay, next one is I will kill you or you will kill me. These are the two sentences. I will kill you or you will kill me. Here, I will kill you, main clause. You will kill me, this is also another clause. Okay, two independent clauses are given and they are connected by or. They are connected by or. Okay, so two independent clauses means main clause, again another clause और यहाँ पर fanboys. Okay, so this is compound sentence. Understood? Complex sentence means which is very complicated. Complex में एक dependent है, एक independent है. Okay, in complex sentence one independent means main clause and other will be dependent clause. Okay, and the dependent clause will be of subordinate clause. Subordinate clause means जो complete नहीं है, जिसे दूसरे के ऊपर अपना रखना पड़ रहा है, dependent है, that is called subordinate clause. See, although he was wealthy, incomplete लग रहा है ना, although आ गया, although he was wealthy still he was unhappy. Okay, so although he was wealthy, this is dependent clause, and he was unhappy, this is independent clause. Okay, he was unhappy, although he was wealthy, still he was unhappy. तो still है वो conjunction है और वो independent है. He was unhappy, independent है, although he was wealthy, dependent clause है. Okay, so what are the tips to remember all these things? Simple means one sentence with complete sense. Compound means main clause plus coordinate clause because they are connected by coordinating conjunction. And complex means main clause plus subordinate clause or connected by subordinating conjunctions. Understood? So shall we start with the exercise? I hope you understood this much. Now start the exercises. Here I have written the answers and the exercise appears with answer on your screen. So let's start. Which sentences are compound, which are complex? Underline the clause in each case. Underline the clause in each case. Okay, clause भी underline करना है आप लोगों को. यहाँ पर कहीं कहीं पर नहीं हुआ है, but you have to do. First one is God helps those who help themselves. God helps those who help themselves. Here which are the two clauses? Only you will underline, no need to write ICDC. Okay, so God helps those, one clause, who help themselves, another clause. Okay, so here one independent clause and one dependent clause. So 1 plus 1 अलग अलग हुए ना दोनों. Independent plus dependent is equal to complex. Okay, it is a complex sentence. Second one, walk quickly or you will miss the train. डायरेक्ट ये देखकर तो आपको पता चल ही जाएगा, कॉमा है, फैन बॉयज़ में से और दिया हुआ है, और दोनों क्लॉजेज भी इंडिपेंडेंट है. वॉक क्विकली, यू विल मिस द ट्रेन, बोथ आर इंडिपेंडेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. अंडरस्टूड? Okay. Third one is, I know where he has gone. I know. I know he has gone. These are the two clauses connected by where, subordinating clause hai. Okay. So here he has gone. These two are different clauses. One independent, one dependent. Okay, so it is again complex sentence. Third one is complex. Okay, fourth one is, they rested when the night came. They rested when the night came. They rested. वो आराम कर रहे थे. The night came. Okay, here also subordinating conjunction when. Okay, so complex sentence. Fourth one is also complex sentence. 5 number, I know a place where wild roses grow. I know a place where wild roses grow. Here I know a place. One clause. Wild roses grow. Another clause. Okay, so again complex, independent and dependent, main plus subordinate. Then this one is complex. 6th number is, work hard and you will pass. Work hard and you will pass. Here which are the two clauses? Work hard, you will pass. These are the two clauses. Both are independent. Okay, both are one main clause and one coordinate clause connected by and fanboy. Okay, so it is compound sentence only. Okay, 7 number, man may come and man may go, but I go on forever. Man may come. Underline the clauses first. Man may come, man may go, I go on forever. These are the three clauses connected by fanboy. Okay, so again it is a compound sentence. Understood what is a compound sentence? Compound sentence means fanboys, conjunction दिए होंगे fanboys. Okay, और दोनों जो क्लॉज हैं वो दोनों इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होंगे और दोनों एक दूसरे को कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे होंगे, एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर रहे होंगे. ओके, 8 नंबर, कम टुमारो get your money. Come tomorrow, get your money. Here two clauses are given. Come tomorrow, get your money. Okay, two clauses. And what is the conjunction here? And. And is the conjunction. So, again fanboy. Aim is and again fanboy. Okay, so that compound sentence. 9 number, we returned home when the sun set. We returned home when the sun set. Here which are the two clauses? We returned home, the sun set. These are the two clauses. Okay, and one is independent and one is dependent, so it is complex. Understood? Next one is, all that glitters is not gold. Simple sentence, one subject, one finite verb. Okay, so simple sentence. Only one clause is given. Okay. 11 number. I think he is absent today. I think he is absent today. I think he is absent today. Okay. I think he is absent today. I think incomplete है ना. So again it is complex. One independent, one dependent is equal to complex. 12 number. I will live where you live. I will live where you live. Okay, again complex sentence, one dependent and one independent. Understood? Then sentence number 13. What is the sentence? 13 number. Night came on and rain fell heavily and we all got very wet. Here, which are the clauses? Night came on, rainfall fell heavily, we all got very wet. Okay, so here, which are the conjunction? And again fan boy. What it is? Fan boys. Okay, so that compound sentence. Understood? Compound sentence. When I went to the bazaar this morning, I met my old friend whom I had not seen for 3 years. Here, which are the clauses? I went to the bazaar this morning. I met my old friend I had not seen for 3 years. Okay, these are the clauses. And again, this is main clause and these are subordinate clauses. So again it is complex sentence. I know the man who said that the earth is flat. I know the man who said that the earth is flat. I know the man who said that the earth is flat. Okay. So again main clause and subordinate clause. So complex sentence. कोई fan word नहीं दिया है, कोई comma नहीं दिया है, कोई semicolon नहीं है. So it is complex sentence. He goes to school, but his sister stays at home. But use why. Okay. So fanboys में B है ना ये but. Okay. So compound sentence. Understood? 16. 17 number. I have no sympathy for a man who is not a hero in the battle of life. I have no sympathy for a man who is not a hero in the battle of life. Okay, these are the clauses. One independent, one dependent. So obviously it is complex sentence. 18 number. He does not know who has stolen your book. Find out main clause. He does not know who has stolen your book. Okay, so here he does not know is main clause and this one is subordinate clause, SC. Okay, so as you all know, main clause and subordinate clause together are in complex sentence only. So this one is complex sentence, 18 number. Understood? 19 number. Ashok passed but Raman failed. Ashok passed but Raman failed. चलो फटाफट से बता दो ये. Ashok passed, Raman failed. Different, both are different and independent. Ashok passed, Raman failed, and they are connected with but. So it is a compound sentence. Ashok passed but Raman failed is compound sentence. because they are connected with fanboy B. Okay, and both are independent. Both are coordinating each other, so they are compound sentence. 20 number, nobody knows. 20 number, nobody knows where he was murdered. Here, underline the clauses first. Nobody knows where he was murdered. These are the clauses. Okay, nobody knows main clause, when he was murdered, subordinate clause. Okay, so here one main clause, one subordinate clause is equal to complex sentence. Then 21 number is, the news is so good that it cannot be true. The news is so good that it cannot be true. Here underline the clauses, the news is so good. Next one is, it cannot be true. Okay, so again they are complex sentences. Okay, 21 number is complex sentences. Both are different, independent and dependent. Okay, so complex sentences. 22, the boy who was lost yesterday has been found by the police. The boy who was lost yesterday has been found by the police. The boy has been found by the police. This is main clause. Who was lost yesterday? It is subordinate clause. Okay, dependent clause. So it is complex sentence. What it is? Complex sentence. Was he asleep or awake? Was he asleep or awake? Fanboys or. Okay, so again compound sentence. What it is? Compound sentence. 23 number. 24. He went to the window to look out but found no one there. So first of all, underline the clauses. He went to the window to look out, found no one there. Okay, so again here but, fanboy. Okay, so compound sentences. He went to the window to look out but found no one there. It is compound sentence. So compound sentence are a compound sentence. What is the compound sentence? Compound sentence is a combination of two independent clauses connected by fanboy. दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस हैं, दो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉजेस हैं जो fanboy कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से कनेक्टेड है. दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. ओके, हियर 25 number, when the cat is away the mouse is at play. When the cat is away the mouse is at play. Okay, two clauses. When the cat is away the mouse is at play. Two clauses. And here what it is? Independent plus dependent. When the cat is away, it is dependent on the mouse is at play. Okay, so it is a complex sentence. Understood what is a complex sentence? When the cat is away the mouse is at play. This is complex sentence because one dependent and one independent clause is there. Understood the whole exercise? Okay, now you have to write the answers in your textbook only. Okay, in last lecture I told you that you can practice this exercise in your textbook, write the answers with pencil and get it cross check whenever I am giving you the answer. Okay, so I hope you have cleared your doubts if you have tried to attempt it previously. Okay, and I hope you have the clear idea regarding what is a clause, what is subordinate clause, what is coordinate clause, and what is the difference between a sentence and a clause. Okay, so after this understanding all these things only, you will be able to identify the type of sentence: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Okay, so these notes, these things are also given in your textbook, so you can use the textbook for better understanding. Okay, you can also practice some more examples from other textbook if you have 7th standard, 6th standard, even your English textbook, English literature textbook, also some sentences. Okay, you can find out the sentences. Okay, so this chapter is over here. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye.